Hello everyone. We are Mysign. Our company has been in the business of modular signs for 5 years, and we strive to innovate every aspect of the industry. We have reached India with some of our products, and buyers are responding well to them. Our catalog has been updated with a new product. Introducing Mysign Decor Elements. Mysign Decor Elements are ready-to-use nameplates that we can stick or print on vinyl, acrylic, or radium on it. Our products are very innovative and attractive. Latest designs, beautiful colors, and durable products come with various sizes. We offer products that are particularly useful to signboard manufacturers. These products are supplied blank by us. Sign makers can work on it as desired and then give it to the customer. Therefore, we are the manufacturer. The Mysign Decor Elements are only available from us. Contact for more information. Mysign, manufacturer of modular signs.